guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you saw, I just lip swatched all of my Milani liquid lipsticks. These are the Amore matte lip creams. I have 9 shades here and I just lip swatched all the colors. You guys requested this since I did my Milani lipstick swatches, which all my lipsticks are back there, and then you guys wanted to see the liquid lipsticks as well. So if you don't know already, Milani is kind of known for their lip products. I have done so many videos on their lip products. I've done their matte lipsticks, their regular cream lipsticks, their lip liners. I also have their like metallic liquid lipsticks. If you guys want to see a video on these, I can totally do that for you. But anyways, I have a lot of Milani lip products, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I do lip swatches here on my channel pretty often. They're actually one of my favorite videos to film. I love, you know, getting a full collection of lip products and showing you guys the colors and swatching them for you and telling you all the information on them and my thoughts and everything. So I thought I'd do another one today on the Milani liquid lipsticks. So although I only have 9 shades that I shared with you guys, they do have 30 shades on their website, and these retail for $9 US. Unfortunately, in my stores in Canada, I only have these 9 shades, so I do have all the shades available in Canadian drugstores, but I am looking to get some more colors and stuff because they've released some really nice purples and oranges and reds and stuff like that. So hopefully you know, more come here, or I can expand my collection by ordering online. But I still wanted to do this video less for the actual colors now since I don't own all of them, but I did want to show you guys the application, the colors I do have, and also give you my review. So this is the review portion of this video, and let's just get started. Right now on my lips, I am wearing 3 different shades. I do this so much, and when you guys ask me in the comments, what lip color are you wearing in this video? What lip color are you wearing here? I cannot answer you guys because I literally mix so many colors and so many different formulas every time I do my lips that it's very, very rare that I'm wearing one single product at once. So today I used Precious. It's like a deep mauve shade as my base, and then I applied a little tiny bit of Pretty. This is like a really nice pink color, and then I took the shade Adorable and I put this all over to get that cool tone mauve nude look. So first of all, the packaging on these is the Milani standard packaging. They always have the gold and the very like high-end looking packaging. I'm a big fan of Milani's packaging and also their formulas, so I love their presentation for their products. And then of course it's just a doe foot applicator, and it's one that's like flat, so it's really easy to get a nice flat and precise line on your lips. I do recommend though when you use these to scrape off, because the doe foot picks up a lot of product, and then going in and getting a better look, and then you can always just take the little bit and add more if you need it. And of course you have your color on the bottom and the sticker on the side as well. So let's just talk about the formula. First of all, these are a matte liquid lipstick, so don't be fooled by the kind of name on the packaging that says it's a lip cream. This is a dry down full liquid lipstick that will totally dry down, you know, be transfer proof, everything like that. These are like a hardcore liquid lipstick that won't come off type thing. They dry down instantly. So some other liquid lipsticks I've tried, you have to give it a minute to dry down. You have to kind of wait. With these, that doesn't happen. You know, you put them on, you do have time to layer and stuff, but then they dry down. And the great part is you can still layer and build things up even though it's already dry. So you could apply a layer of this, and if you want to add a bit more or add a different color, you can take another one, add it on top of the dried down liquid lipstick, and it will still look good and kind of all melt together. So that's the great part about these. They're very easy to work with. So I know a lot of people won't like these because of the drying formula. These are so drying, but if you use them the right way, you will get the best application and the best long wearing lip look you'll ever have out of these. So my recommendation is either to apply a lip balm underneath to have that creamy formula, and then everything will mix together and make these a little less drying, or a great option is also take a regular lipstick and put it on top of the liquid lipstick, or even a gloss or anything like that. Anything with a creamy consistency, put it on top, and this will definitely you know, change this liquid lipstick and make it still long lasting and everything, but not drying anymore. Now of course that will take away that transfer proof idea, but after that top layer of the lipstick or lip gloss or whatever you're using wears off, this will become transfer proof again and stay on all day, but it will be a little more moisturizing. So that's my favorite way to use them, and that way I get like lip looks that last all day long. I'm serious about this. This is what I do every time I use these. I'll use it, put it on, and then put on a lip gloss or lipstick on top, and it makes it the most amazing liquid lipstick ever. My most used shades are definitely Adorable. It's like a mauve cool tone nude, very nice color. And then Sweetie is an amazing perfect nude, perfect for every day. I think this one will work on so many different skin tones. And then I showed you guys a bunch of pink and mauve shades from what I have, and I love those as well. A very unique shade in the collection is Covet. This is like that dark chocolate brown. If you're looking for a very rich, like pure brown lipstick, this is the way to go, and you will love it. I will say with like some of the darker shades, for example, Obsession and Devotion, these two, if you don't apply them right, they can look a little patchy. So as I said, you'll apply a first layer and then it will look patchy. If you apply a second layer, then you'll be fine. Another trick to use these darker shades is to use a lip liner just to make sure that they are not patchy. One other thing to be aware of with the darker shades is the staining. So from swatching on my arm and stuff, they did stain. The nude shades don't stain or anything, but the dark ones do. So just keep that in mind. That doesn't bother me. I think that just adds to it being more long wearing, but I just wanted to let you guys know. Alright, so the actual longevity of these is incredible. These will last all day long, and they do not start looking gross after a certain amount of hours, especially if you use the trick I mentioned before with layering. If you do have dry lips, these will dry out your lips. That's why I recommended that trick. But if you do use them, how I told you guys, you will get the perfect lip look, and your lips will look smooth all day long with this. The color won't, you know, get patchy or sometimes rub off in certain areas. And as I said, you can reapply this on top of an already existing lip look. So if your lips are looking a little, you know, like you ate something with an oily consistency or something and you need a touch-up, you can just take one of these and lather it right on top, and it will just kind of fix everything and it won't look weird or anything. So, you know, I really love how easy these are to use and how user-friendly they are, in the sense that you can, you know, manipulate them very easily, apply them over an existing lip look, and that they look good still when you're doing that. So I really love that about them. Honestly, they are one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas, just because of the fact that I can easily use them and use them with other products, because some other liquid lipsticks, if you try to layer them, they end up looking so bad. And that's why I can mix colors with these, is I can put so many layers that it doesn't look gross in the end. Does that make sense? So formula wise, these are really great. Just keep in mind those few points I mentioned there, and as long as you're using them the correct way, you will get an amazing lip look out of them. As far as the color range and everything, I think it's amazing. Looking at their website now, as I said, they have so many nudes, so many pinks, reds, oranges, deep burgundy or brown shades, and then some colorful purple shades and stuff. So you'll definitely find a shade that suits you and that you'll love. And other than that, they do apply very smooth on the lips, as you guys could tell from the swatches. Very pigmented, kind of one swipe actions. The only ones you kind of have to put in a little more work with are the darker shades, as I said before, but other than that, they just apply so nicely. And with these nude shades that I use, they're like an everyday statement piece for me. They sit right on my vanity, and I reach for these probably the most out of any other lip product in my collection, just because they're so they're such like good shades. First of all, they work with any eye look and any makeup look, and second of all, they're just so easy to use and they look perfect on the lips all day long. I'm the type of person who doesn't really like to touch up their makeup. I like to apply it in the morning, and I want it to last all day long without touch-ups. So these liquid lipsticks make it so easy for me to wear them all day and have them look good all day long. So I love them for that. But I hope this video was helpful for any of you looking into these liquid lipsticks. I certainly love them, and hopefully, you know, seeing a few of the colors at least helped you out, seeing the formula, the application, everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, but I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.